back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kiara. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new here, hey gang, welcome back to a new video.
Mommy, turn to real.
Kizzy got hit the cord when she was outside. So I told you yesterday that I was gonna come and do another video and do my hair so I can crimp it. And there is a couple of pieces I want to fix on the side. And we're just gonna jump into it since I do have to work today.
Spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yeah, she know it. Old bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol.
I was going to crimp it, but I'm going to work in a second. This will be chill.
He fell off his tricycle. We better get an x-ray of your tail.
They're taking him to the hospital to see the doctor. Bye, Abby. Bye, Yuna. Bye-bye.
I'm getting home late on like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Shout it thick, thicker than a snicker. Every time she do this for me and my niggas. And a friend do it with her. She don't even like girls, but a stack and make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She don't even like girls, but a stack and make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She keep fucking around, I'ma watch dismiss her. Gon' kiss her. She make us rock, then jiggle. Put on the show then, bring that dough in. Booty bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, and you know it. Look at how she throw it. If it get any bigger, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broads, 99 broads. Panoramic view from the 99th floor. I'm like, my lord, when she down on all fours. Got a hood bitch with me, she ain't scared to take a charge. Flying by in a car, you don't know what you saw. She adjusting the bras and lighting up a cigar. They was writing me off, now I arrive like a star. I just sit back and laugh at the irony of it all. Let them bands go, let them bands go. Watch a nigga throw a grand or so on that camel toe. And be like, damn boy, why you cuffing that whore? The whole team smashed and you ain't even know it, God.
I ain't even know it, he know it. Take the car here to the stage. Then you seen a nigga throw it, throwing that ass for days. Booty got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Outside of magic, pulling up outside of magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping the elastic. 777 on the neck, you ain't never hearing nobody from nasty. Georgia Peach, you know that I'm keeping it ratchet. That nigga gave me his heart, that's when I gave him some head. That's when he gave me his card. I went to the mall and I maxed it. That nigga, yeah, maxed it. Saying low with my accent, saying low with my back.
Alright, y'all, so I made it out. And I'm on my way to work. What is that right there? So I'm on my way to work. They say I'll be there in like 5, 6, 7 minutes. Hopefully. Because it looks a little crowded right here in this little area. Let me show y'all where I'm at.